Hey there, have you ever watched a woman you desire walk away with someone else? Someone you know isn't right for her? It's maddening, isn't it? But what if you could flip the script? Today, I'm sharing a powerful secret that few men know. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to make her chase you without seeming desperate or needy. Understand neediness. Neediness is the biggest turnoff. It doesn't just show up as obsessive texting or extreme jealousy. It can be subtle, constantly seeking her approval, always being available, or overanalyzing her every word. Women instinctively sense neediness, and when they do, their attraction plummets. Imagine being the guy who radiates confidence, who doesn't cling or chase, and watching her become intrigued by you. Relationship dynamics. Here's the truth. The less effort you invest up front, the more she invests in you. Overcommitting your time, energy, or resources too soon signals low value. She starts to take you for granted, seeing you as just another guy seeking her attention. But when you hold back, she begins to wonder about you, thinking of ways to win you over. Subcommunication matters. Actions speak louder than words. Your behavior should exude confidence and self-worth, not insecurity or a need for validation. Buying drinks for strangers, bragging about your achievements, these acts scream insecurity. Instead, be authentic and comfortable in your own skin. She'll notice your quiet confidence, and it will draw her in. Shift your mindset. Stop thinking, I hope she likes me. Start thinking, let's see if she measures up to what I want. Position yourself as the prize. When you enter a room, you're not on the hunt. You're the one being pursued. This mental shift changes everything. She feels your self-assured vibe, and her interest intensifies. Levels of neediness. Let's break it down. Level 1, highly needy. Overinvesting, always seeking approval, trying too hard to please, emotionally dependent. She feels overwhelmed and her attraction fades quickly. Level 2, somewhat needy. Reacting defensively to teasing or questions, showing insecurity. She senses your unease and it diminishes her interest. Level 3, zero neediness. Confident, playful, self-assured. You assess if she's a good fit for you. She feels a challenge and her attraction skyrockets. Master emotional independence. Women are naturally drawn to men who are mentally strong, confident, and have nothing to prove. When she teases you, you laugh it off or playfully tease back. You don't overreact or seek her validation. She feels your strength and it's magnetic. The power of less is more. In the beginning, invest less time, energy, and emotion. Don't act like her boyfriend if you're not. This creates space for her to pursue you. She starts wondering what you're up to, thinking about how to get your attention. You're no longer chasing, she's coming after you. Ignite curiosity and interest. Be a bit mysterious. Don't reveal your entire life story right away. When she asks personal questions, respond with playful intrigue. Maybe I'll tell you over coffee, if you're lucky. This leaves her wanting more, keeping you on her mind long after you've parted ways. Avoid common traps. Avoid performing unnecessary favors, being overly accommodating, or becoming her emotional support too soon. These actions can come off as trying too hard. Remember, you have nothing to prove. Your confidence and self-worth are evident, and that's more appealing than any grand gesture. Confidence is key. Confident men radiate a presence that's hard to ignore. Women find this irresistible. Shift your focus from trying to impress her to enjoying the moment. Let her see that you're evaluating if she's right for you. She'll feel the shift and it will draw her closer. Think about this. You're out with friends, genuinely enjoying yourself, not fixated on who might be watching. She notices you, the guy who's comfortable and confident, not seeking attention but naturally commanding it. She feels compelled to approach you, curious about who you are. No more feeling overlooked while she chooses someone else. Now, you're the one she can't stop thinking about. Your phone lights up with her messages, eager to connect and spend time with you. Don't let opportunities pass you by any longer. Start embracing these principles today and watch as the dynamics shift in your favor. Women will be drawn to your authentic confidence, not because of games, but because you've recognized your true worth. If you found these insights helpful and want to continue transforming your interactions, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's much more to come, all aimed at helping you unlock your full potential. Until next time, stay confident and let them come to you.